What's up guys, this is Andrew at Diamond Graphics. Today we just want to kind of show you all the different things you can do with vinyl. So if you've got a car you really like that's got some chrome on it, we can do simple things like a chrome delete. We can do full wraps, so we can change the color of your car completely. We can do more custom wraps if you've got a car show, you've got a rally that's going on, you want something super unique, one of a kind. We can also do stripe kits if you got a muscle car, you've got something that you just want to add a little bit more aggressive look to. So the cool thing with vinyl is that something like this, it's kind of like an outfit for your car. It took us a while to install it, but the customer went to a couple shows and now he's ready just to have a new look. So we're gonna go ahead and peel it and bring it back to its original look. So we wrapped this car about 3 years ago and the customer got into a little fender bender, as you can see here. One of the advantages about vinyl is that although you see some damage here, I'm 90% certain that there's almost no damage to the actual paint of this vehicle. So we're able just to remove this and replace it for him. We replaced this bumper after it had a little fender bender, and you can see there was literally no damage to the actual bumper itself. We put a new piece of film on it and now it looks brand new again. So we got done unwrapping this Lambo. We left a few small accents, some red, white, and green Italian flags, some gloss black here and there, but pretty much it's about 90% back to what it originally came to us as. So you can see you pretty much have almost unlimited options as far as customizations come with wrapping. It's a good way to protect your paint as well as give your car a one-of-a-kind look. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. If you guys got questions about wraps, just leave us a message.